true. Look, in the secondary at the class 10 level, so most of these students are dropped out because they could not clear the SSLC exam for the various reasons. Various reasons. Maybe they have not, they are not well versed with the concept of the chapters of the topic and all. So maybe the question was very very tough. I don't know for all these reasons. And there is no schools. There is no good experienced teacher in the rural. There are many in the rural. For example, in many rural schools, they don't have a good experienced science teacher, science English teacher, math teacher. Therefore, knowing all the challenges, we have introduced the QR code contained textbook for mathematics and science to supplement them. And so, but this year we have got 87% on the first percentage, whereas in the CBSE, ICSE, I think just announced yesterday, so our students perform very very well, excellently. For all the institutions of the state has performed very very excellently well. So, of course, the secondary we know where is the problem. Suppose secondary we know where to hit out, and also of course there is at a different level, maybe because of economic factor, because of distance of the schools, and because of children's lost interest in going to the school. So we know of all the challenges, but therefore government is trying a bit to solve all these issues.